So a couple of tips here. I've got the Lint Eater. I was just doing the annual. I was just doing the fall maintenance, cleaning out the dryer vent, and I wanted to go a couple of things with this. First off, the Lint Eater kit here comes with this little adapter for your vacuum. One thing is that this is a 2-inch, which is one of the larger, but if you've got a wet dry vac that's 1.5 inches, it really doesn't matter because you can actually hold your hand over this, turning this a little bit, because there's a little plug right here. This little piece pops out, and then you can run the little flexible line through that will be connected to the little brush. So I kept this little piece and put it back in here because I don't want this to get crushed for some reason. So one tip is that if your wet dry vac is only 1.5 inches, like our little Ryobi here, it will work fine with that. I just used my hand and held it in place, and then had that little line, just basically cupped it with my hand, and that had plenty of vacuum. Second thing is you don't have to really crank these little flexible tubes to get them tight. You can see there's a little bit of thread there. The other end there isn't any thread. You just basically get it in there and just get it so it's touching. You don't have to go and crank it tight or use any tools, because the natural action of the drill, which, by the way, another tip, don't set your drill to the highest speed. Go to the lowest speed, because you just need this to go in there and just to be moving and brushing the sides and moving back and forth. So don't over tighten. Tip number 2. Number 3 is set your drill. You need to be a 3/8 inch drill at least, but you set that on your lowest speed and just ease it up in there. Make it go forward all the way up in there, and then keep it going forward as you come down. If you turn it around and try to make it go backwards, it will unscrew itself and this will be stuck in the wall. Bad, bad, bad. So your drill stays going forward the whole time. It goes in, cleaning its way up, and then cleaning its way back down. Vacuum running the whole time through this will suck the lint out. It was incredible how well that worked. I had to go up a wall about 8 feet, and I had to use 3 of the sections, and it did a beautiful job. So really excited about this, the lint cleaner. If you haven't used one of these before, you definitely need to check it out. I'll put a link in the description below, and I'll also have a link for my suggested driver to make this work the absolute best here. Little Milwaukee unit works wonderfully. This is John Young here. Thank you for watching.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.